Look who's back. Hey.
I'm back from Finland.
Hey, she's back.
Yes, and put to work immediately.
Put to work immediately. Yeah, we're gonna add this to your resume, tonneau cover installer.
I better get some kind of written document.
What do you say?
It's perfect.
There it is.
What's my grade?
I'm gonna give you a B+. All right, we're gonna take a little nap here at the LA Zoo. We'll pick this video up tomorrow at Mom's house where we fill those drawers. We do a backseat upgrade for our cooler and for our water, and we'll probably wash this thing too. All right, tune in tomorrow.
Siesta time.
Siesta time. Oh, yeah. Okay, so here we are back at Mom's house. Good old Buena Park, California. And we are loading up these drawers.
Yeah, this is the condo, so it's huge. Of this is because it's all net.
Yeah. Mom, wave. Okay, so we're basically done with the build. Babes, you want to show us what we got here?
Yes.
Okay, so walk us through the build.
Okay, so this is the new top that folds nicely like this. You can tie it here and leave it open, or shovel everything in and close it.
Which was what we plan on doing when we go off-roading. Okay, show us what we got in the drawers.
Okay, so drawers are done.
How, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being really hard, how hard is it for you to open That drawer. Be honest.
10 being the easiest, 8.
No. Okay.
Yeah, so it's like, because it's not now so full, I gotta use my guns, but
Okay.
thank God I have some guns.
All right, so show us what we got in here.
Kitchen, whatever you need. I mean, ridiculously big thing that I want at home.
You want that pan at home?
So bad.
Okay.
This is gonna go home, but
Okay.
anyway, everything you name it. I mean, this is gonna be coffee section, this is kitchen, cleaning, you name it. I have soap, everything, first aid, fire extinguisher,
Fly swatter,
yeah, and also the,
trekking poles.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's one. And then the cooking happens here. Here's the stove, all the utensils and what have you for cooking, canned food, and then the toilet. And
Those
here,
are our pee bottles.
yeah, and then this is what David just did.
Okay, how's that going to work? Show us how that's going to work.
So this one will go here. I take this out and I can do the cooking here.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Got some extra tarps, dry bags, bungee cords, trash bags.
Yeah, this one is handy for anything. Like
Yeah.
if it's raining, you want to eat inside. This is going to be our table.
Little table.
Yeah.
We might sand those edges down a little bit, but we'll see. So that goes back there. We got a little small whisper light stove.
Oh yeah, this one is cool.
It's
It's old school.
Yep, I've had that for 20 years. Matt Miyahara and I bought that together. So that's our whisper light stove. So that goes there.
So then I close it. And it's time to wrap it up. One, two, and it locks. Done.
Done. Okay, well, thank you for tuning in to this episode of Cope Designed. Next time you see us, we'll be making our way to the Mono Hot Springs, maybe before that. But thank you again for tuning in. And of course, always remember to take it slow. All right, we'll see you around. Thank you. That's my new saying, my new sign off.